Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Shri Pranam by Meghna Reality. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. This project is located in New Model, Lokhandwala Road. In this video, we are going to be discussing the following point, including project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.4 acres with 1 towers, 1 level of basement, ground plus 2 level podium and 16 residential floors with a configuration of 3 BHK. Now talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Model Town, Versova, with Versova Metro Station at a distance of just 515 meters, New Link Road at a distance of just 900 meters, Infinity Mall at a distance of 1.6 kilometers, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Talking about amenities, this project has 25 plus world-class amenities including infinity pool, jogging track, kids play area, multi-purpose court, clubhouse and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has only one configuration which is 3 BHK with carpet area ranging from 904 to 988 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where a sales team will help you with the actual project details. We'll also show you the sample flat and the actual flat. We'll help you with the payment and EMI schemes, and then clients, if like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount for this project is going to be 20% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of Shri Pranam by Meghna Reality located in Model Town, Lokhandwala. To get more information about this project, do check the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing videos, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.